Hello, students. Now, under health education and community pharmacy, we are proceeding with the second topic or second chapter of your syllabus, that is called nutrition and health. Friends, you all know that nutrition is a very important aspect when we talk about health of an individual, because nutrition provides various nutrients to our body, and these nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, they are used by our body for carrying out various biological functions. And if one is not taking proper nutritive diet, or you can say balanced diet, definitely deficiency of one or more nutrient may occur in that individual, and the biological functions which are related with those nutrients will be disturbed, leading to certain deficiency conditions. Now, nutrition can be defined in number of ways. You can take any definition which suits you best. Now I am one by one going through the definitions of nutrition. Nutrition is a process in which the food is utilized for nourishing the body, or nutrition is defined as the science of food and its relationship to health, or nutrition is the process of taking in and absorbing nutrients, or the qualitative and quantitative requirement of the diet necessary to maintain good health. So, there are four definitions which I recited just now. You can learn anyone which suits you better, but every definition has got a meaning that nutrients are essential substances and they are provided through the process of nutrition, and they are important for maintaining the health of an individual. Now, good nutrition is necessary for normal growth, development, then maintenance and proper functioning of our body. On the contrary, malnutrition is an important health problem. It reduces physical and mental growth. It disturbs the normal functioning and may lead to diseases or disorders. Now, all these nutrients, whether it is minerals, whether it is carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, vitamins, they are provided through food in our body. Now, what do you mean by food? Food means a substance or mixture of substances which, when taken into the body, serves to nourish or build up the tissues and supplies energy to the body. What does this say? Food means a substance, or it is a mixture of substances. Now, in our food, there are a variety of materials which we use. We call them as foodstuffs. We use pulses, we use green leafy vegetables, we use fruits, we use rice, we use wheat, we use jawar, we use pulses. So, it's a mixture which, when taken into the body, when this food goes into the body, it helps the body for its growth, for its nourishment, for its development, maintenance, etc. And also it provides energy to our body. Now, the term foodstuffs means anything which can be used as a food. Anything which you can use as a food, it is called as foodstuffs. Now next is the definition of nutrients or food factors. Nutrients are specific dietary constituents, means they are a part of your diet. So nutrients are specific dietary constituents present in most food in various proportions and are essential for normal growth, development and maintenance. The main bulk of food consists of proteins, fats, carbohydrates, which are called as macronutrients, and vitamins and minerals, which are called as micronutrients. So friends, in this chapter we are going to discuss what do you mean by nutrition, what is its important, what are various nutrients, what do you mean by food, how food can be classified. Then we will go through some of the nutrients in detail, like we will discuss proteins in detail, we will discuss vitamins in detail, we will discuss minerals in detail, that is their sources, their biological functions, then diseases which are related with their deficiency, and so on. Now friends, you might have came across a word essential nutrients. A nutrient is called essential when it is not synthesized by the body. See, there are certain nutrients which are synthesized by our body. Say for example, vitamin D. It is synthesized by interaction of the radiations of early morning. When they fall on your skin, the precursor for this vitamin is present and it is converted into vitamin D. So some of the nutrients, like many proteins, they are synthesized in our body. So if a substance is synthesized in your body, it is called as non-essential nutrient. But if a substance or if a nutrient is not synthesized or produced by the body, then it is called as essential nutrient. Now nutrients are important elements of primary health care because they are required for your basic needs of health. They are the basic things which are required for normal health.